Here is the Toyota Corolla. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and open up the trunk. Now right there are those clips which are holding that cover in place. We need to get the clips off and then get the cover off. Now you'll have either this type of clip or this type of clip. To get the clips off, you can either use a flathead screwdriver or better yet a pair of pliers. So get the screwdriver in there and get the clip off like halfway through, and then you can just pull it out with your bare hands. Or if you're using the pliers, just grab onto the clip this way and then just twist and turn it and pull it out all the way. Same process for the other type of clip. You'll only have one of this type of clips, but I'm just going to show you for both of them. Again, just get it out halfway through and then pull it out with your hands. Repeat the process for all the other clips and get them out and keep them somewhere safe. Now let's get the cover off. And there it is, 1 and 2. So we're gonna have to twist this loose the way I'm showing, okay, like that motion. Now very likely it's gonna be stuck over there, and if it's stuck and if it's just not coming loose, get the pair of pliers and position it the way I'm showing, and then use the pliers to twist it, and that's just gonna make your life easier. Once it's loose, just get the bulb holder out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. Now very likely it's gonna be stuck over there, so you'll have to grab onto the bulb and wiggle it left right left right left right, and it's still going to take 20-30 seconds, so be patient with it, but eventually it's going to come out. The bulb size is 168 or 194 or T10. Either one of them works. 168 or 194 or T10, it's all the same. Get the new bulb and push it in. Now when you're putting the bulb holder back into the light, let's look at it from this angle. You have to make sure that the black part on the bulb holder goes behind the clear lens, like that. See how it's sitting behind it? Now you can twist it right to lock it in place. Let's repeat this process for the other light, and I'll show you the same process from a different camera angle. Let's just twist this loose, get it out. Same process, same bulb, 168 or 194 or T10, and the bulb again is going to be stuck on there, so just wiggle it left right and be patient with it, but it's going to come out eventually. There's the bulb right there. Get the new bulb, push it in. And now let's put this bulb holder back into the light, and see, when it goes in properly, it's just going to drop in. Otherwise you're going to have to spend some time twisting and turning it to actually align it properly to get it to drop in. And once it's in like this, now just twist it to lock it in place. You just have to turn a little bit to lock it, and that's it. Now let's put this cover back on, get it in position, get one of the clips and line it with the bottom hole over there and just push it in. Push it in to secure it, and now the cover's not going anywhere. Let's just repeat the process and put all the clips back on, and that's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found the video useful.